this is my aunt and uncle's house in Port St. Lucie. It's a really pretty house. I have to show you guys her kitchen, and I just love it. And is this not gorgeous? Look at the granite. I'm obsessed. So pretty. I love that backsplash. Okay, and then this is their dog. This guy's name is Seamus, and there's another one who's a Bichon, who's not friendly.
So cute. He's also teething.
Is he?
With little razor teeth. How old is he, Kendall?
He's like 4.5 months.
Oh,
yeah, he's a fresh one. He was born in September.
Smart move. I saw that. He's avoiding Hannah. And when I sit down at the end of the day, guess who jumps up beside me and sprawls all over me, and I'm like, okay, no sudden moves. Sit. But she's fine.
Come here, Bern.
Auntie, do you want a buddy?
You can play over here.
Please.
Did you get us some water yet?
Yeah,
Right there.
it's right there.
Get off on Okeechobee Road.
Check out this bar. It's like being in an actual bar. Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary. What? Lizard. Bernie, want to see the lizard? Look, come here. Come here, come. Guys, check it out. We get a ride in my aunt's convertible to the beach. Pretty sweet. Have you ever driven a convertible?
No, I haven't.
This is so cool. I'm so excited. I love this life. I love their life.
I know.
It's just, Florida's just too hot in the summer, but it's so nice this time of year. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Bernie's gotta get clean, covered in salt.
You gotta clean out the salt off of your brain, okay? We try to keep you warm though.
It was so funny to watch him on the beach. Like, I wish that's why it sucks, because we wanted to move to Florida so bad, but it's just not, you know, we would have just been lonely and stuff, but the beach does make us wish we lived here, because it'd be nice to take Bernie to the beach a lot, but he didn't really like how dirty he got. Now he has to get wet again. Bernie.
No, get in there. No, you're not going anywhere. But that helps. Thanks. You'll probably be all buzzing here in a minute.
Oh yeah.
You always start buzzing. We can tell you right your face.
All right, we blow dried the little rat, and now we're spying on Lily back at home on the cam.
She's on the couch.
She's sleeping. Is it going?
Yeah.
Hi, Lily! Lily! Oh, she's in a deep sleep. Hi, Pie! Hi, Pie! Lily! 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 Dead asleep, dude. She better be fucking alive. What is she doing?
Oh.
What? She finally woke up? Okay, good.
She's like, I must be dreaming.
I really want to know how clear that is. Someday at work, you should like try to do it when I'm at home and let's see if I can hear it. Man, my aunt knows how to mix up the drink strong, guys. I'm feeling a little drunk, but we're just hanging out, making steaks. Oh my gosh, I am so tired. We've been so busy since we've been here. I feel like I barely slept or relaxed. So, going to bed. Good night, guys.
I've been down so in love like I've been down so in love like I've been down so